Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have the Decentraland Mana daily update. So let's see where are we going, guys, from the high we made at 8.5 cents around there. So we are going to see some important things, but first of all, before we begin, join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee / Mind Your Crypto. You get easy profits with automated signal, buying opportunities, personal guidance, guys, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, and many more. So stay tuned, guys. Only 50 people can join in, and of course you can cancel your subscription anytime you like. Also join our Telegram group chat. Link is in the description down below. We help each other every day. We are a perfect community and we respect each other. And hit the like button, subscribe if you like the content. So thank you for watching. Let's go now to our Mana, Decentraland Mana technical analysis. Starting from this bottom right here, it's a little bit more down. There we go. Starting from 22nd June, the bottom we formed back then on 2021, ending up to the top on 8th July, we are finding some important support levels: the 67 cents, the 61 cents, and some minor support levels in case we drop a little bit. So finding these guys, it means that maybe Decentraland Mana is looking good. We will see about that. But of course, if we lose the 67 cents again, then we are going back to 61. That's what I believe it will be. Of course, we have the 0.618 Fibonacci golden ratio, the 55 cents, and if I want to draw, guys, Fibonacci retracement to find some resistance levels, I would go for this top right here to this bottom, because I would like to find some major important resistance levels in case we move upwards from here. You can see one very important is the 0.618, the 7.5 cents. For now, we are finding resistance at the 7 cents and we are bouncing a little bit between. Okay, so for now, guys, you know already the support levels. Let's redraw the Fibonacci for the support from this bottom to this top right here. There we go. So we have our major support levels and one resistance level right here that we have. It is the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement. It is good that we hold, guys. We bounce between Fibonacci retracements every time. We just go up a little bit down right here, you can see, and we bounce back. But let's see a little bit the volume. The volume is decreasing. You can see the moving average is going a little bit down. Also, we had some pretty nice volume here in the pretty buying pressure. We have the volume decreasing. Same here for the MACD. We lost this support level right here, which was pretty good to have it and go above the support level. But in overall, guys, we haven't lost many things. We want to see a bullish cross. If we see it going further and further down, this won't be good for the MACD. I would love to see it holding this support line in order to see a bullish cross between the signal line and the blue line, and then a further distance. But anyway, let's go a little bit to the 4-hour frame in case we have any bearish divergence. We don't have any bearish divergence. I mean, guys, that okay, we have lower highs in the RSI, but we have just lower highs in the price action as well. If we had lower highs in the RSI but the price was around here, let's say for example in this area, then yes, I would say that we probably approached the top right there and then we are going downwards, but this didn't happen for Mana. Okay, so in the common channel index, in terms of an oversold situation, we are in an oversold situation. We are on the stochastic RSI as well. Only on the RSI we are not, but we don't want to go down from this area right here all the way down to 30. That will mean we will lose some important support levels. We want to follow a pattern around there and go upwards as well. Okay, so for Mana, guys, we didn't have any RSI bearish divergence, and so this is good that we are in an oversold situation while we are sitting on the previous support line we mentioned before. Okay, so let's go a little bit to the 20-day MA. The 20-day MA is still above the 50-day MA after the bullish cross happened. That happened actually on 30 June 2021. So we are pretty fine for now. Let's go to the daily frame to see some important things. First of all, on the daily, guys, the RSI is not above the 70. That is pretty good. Okay, secondly, guys, you can see that on the RSI, on the common channel index, sorry, we were in an overbought situation. Now we are not, but what we want to see is this. If we form a pattern like this, then we are going to to hit new highs in this swing high we had for Mana. Okay, so we are going above the previous high at 8.5 cents. Okay, so we definitely want to see this pattern following on, and it is very possible to see that because the RSI RSI is not near the 70. Stochastic RSI is in an overbought situation, although now it's going a little bit down. We want to see the same for the stochastic RSI as well. On here, guys, on the daily frame, we had some selling pressure on this candle. We had this candle forming on, and then we had a little bit bearish action. But on the daily frame, guys, on the other hand, we have some buying pressure, as you can see, so it is good in general. Let's go now to the MACD. On the MACD, we had a bullish nice cross, but we tend to get more horizontal in the blue line. What we hope for is to go to get rejected from the signal line and go even higher with the blue line. Okay, so let's go to Mana Bitcoin chart. You can see that for Mana Bitcoin chart, we were having the 0.40202. You can see that, and of course, this is because we divide the Decentraland's price to Bitcoin's price. That's how we get this price label. Okay, so don't be scared about this price level. It isn't the USDT valuation. So right there, guys, on Mana Bitcoin chart, we found a little bit support at the 0.236. I've drawn my Fibonacci from top to the bottom to find important resistance levels, and now you can see the 0.618 is our major resistance level, but now we found a little bit of a resistance back on the 0.236, actually 0.382 Fibonacci retracement. On the 4-hour frame for the Mana Bitcoin chart, we are not in an oversold situation, although we tend to go there. Stochastic RSI is commodity channel index is very close to an oversold, and the RSI is close into getting actually around 40. It is at 45 right now, but we don't have anything to say for now. All we want is not to go below the 30. That we don't want that, because we will get just a small swing highs and then fall down again. Okay, so we want to avoid that. On the daily frame, we are for the RSI. Actually, we are likely like the USDT chart, where we saw the RSI not above the 70, not near even the 70. Commodity channel index was in an overbought situation. Now it's dropping. We don't want to see a pattern going on like this. This will be brutal for Mana, but we want to see a pattern like this. This will be very good for Mana Bitcoin chart. On the daily frame, we were about to see a bullish cross, but if we go down further down, we won't see that. But it is actually, guys, we still remain strong, right? We don't have any bearish candle here that would tell us that we are going all the way down. The candles here are not so bearish, except if we get a more bearish candle here than the previous one, then we might have 3 black crows right there, but I don't think this will happen. We just eventually want to avoid that. And of course, guys, for the MACD, you can see that the blue line is above the signal line, although it is getting more horizontal. We just hope that by the time they come close together, we will get rejected and the blue line will go above the signal line right here. So let's go to the price analysis, guys, and you can see that on the price analysis we are on 2-1 around there, gun fan tool. You can see that. Do not worry, the 1-1 is at the 45-degree angle. Do not worry about that. And you can see that now we are having the 2-1 as a support level. We went a little bit beyond here, but in overall, guys, we just managed to go above. And of course, you can see that we are having some lower highs and higher lows. Eventually, we might be getting into a squeeze point. What we care for is not to drop further down from this support line. Eventually, for me, it would be a little bit like that, guys. So for now, it would be a little bit above by the naked eye. But anyway, let's keep this bottom trend line. And I will remove gun fans for now, so you get the whole idea. I will just have my bottom trend line a little bit more correctly, like this one here, for example, guys, like the blue line where it is. And I will draw now the gun fan tool, and I will go, of course, into the Fibonacci retracement to find some major support levels. Okay, in case we drop, you should know when it is the good time to know when we are dropping. So for me, guys, 2 are the important support levels, this and the 6 cents, because if we fall down from 6 cents, guys, we will be making some lower low pattern and it won't be good, right? It is a very strong support level for now for Mana, and of course the 6.6 is a strong support level because we just want to hold right here and just go above, crossing upwards the top trend line. So eventually, guys, I think the chances of going upwards, ignore this one right here, I think the chance of going upwards above this top trend line is more than going downwards, right? But eventually not so much. I mean, we have some quite risk involved right here into going upwards. The truth is that now we are in an oversold situation on the commodity channel index. That is good, and Ethereum Bitcoin chart I think is in an oversold situation as well, so that is very, very good, right? In order to keep this support level right here, and in order to break maybe on the next round to break this top trend line, and of course guys, go even higher. This top trend line is a little bit down. I think it's better if it is like this one right here, for example, so the squeeze point might be a little bit more like here. Okay, so for now guys, we want to keep this bottom trend line, this top trend line, we want to surpass it and go even higher, breaking even the 7.3. I think that when we break the 7.3, I believe that we can go even higher, and this will be a very, very nice bullish scenario for mana. In overall guys, we haven't seen yet an RSI bearish divergence, right? We had a very, very nice pump up here for Decentraland. We correct a bit, we had another top right there, and now we correct again. So the only thing that worries me here is if I draw another Fibonacci retracement, let's say that I will just delete this one and draw the previous Fibonacci that I have drawn in the start of the video, then you will see that we got close to the 0.786, but we got rejected. Anyway, it isn't something that I should be concerned about right now. It is looking like we haven't lost something yet. I mean, we haven't lost the battle of going upwards even more, right? For Decentraland mana, I think that is, we haven't lost anything yet. Okay, of course we will lose much if we go down from this support level around the 6 cents. You can see that if we lose this support level around there, 6 to 6.1 cents, then I believe we are going further and further down afterwards. So for now we are still fine. We got about 65% chances actually of going upwards, around 35 going downwards here. It is never 50-50 guys. If anyone tells you it is 50-50 on a squeeze point, then he is wrong, or he doesn't know. In my humble opinion, he doesn't know how to do a correct technical analysis. It's never 50-50, okay? Because it depends a lot on Bitcoin right now, that you can see that we are forming a little bit of a bearish candles right there for the 4-hour frame, but in overall, we are still in an oversold situation, so we don't have to worry yet about Bitcoin right here. Mana is standing strong because of Mana Bitcoin chart right now. You can see on the 4-hour frame, it looks like we want to hold, we want so much to hold the previous support level, the 6.6 right there guys. Here we go, around there, the 6.6, we want to hold it so much, and it is a good sign that we don't drop after Bitcoin drops, it corrects a little bit, we don't drop along with Bitcoin. That is a good sign, that shows some strength into the Decentraland mana. Of course guys, if you want, join our monthly subscription to get easy profits with automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance and educational videos. Only 50 people can join in. I have the link in the description down below. Join our Telegram group chat. I have also the link in the description down below. We discuss everything right there. And of course, hit the like button and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.